Good morning all. Hello everyone. I'm about to show you the tricks in getting HMS done perfectly. So we are going to start. Install the HMS app, which is this. You can see my cursor. You double click on it and the page will automatically open. Then you can click on Ctrl N, or you come to this file here. Look at my cursor. You click on the file, you click on new, then you type in anything you want to save the page as. I will save mine as CI 515888 because I have a lot of it here. So description is, I'll just save as hydrology modeling. So I want it to be on document, so I will still leave it here. If you want to change maybe to desktop so that your work will be appearing in desktop, you just come here and import desktop. But I want mine to be here, I will just create new. So once you create new, you come to this left part of the screen. You see what you just created, which is this. So you go to components. This is components. You see we have file, edit, view, component, GIS, parameters, compute, result, use, and help. I'll be showing you how to use all of them. So you come to component, you go to basin model manager. You click on it. Then you click on new. You can put, if you are working on, maybe in Niger State, you are working on a local government, you can just save it as that local government. So we are working on Boso local government, so I will just click Boso Basin 1. You can put any description, but I will leave mine as that. So you go here. So in the second thing you do, anytime you see you create a basin or a terrain and there is a positive sign, you always open it. So I'll open mine. I'll click on that positive sign. Then I'll click on that Boso basin I created. And the screen, I'll come to, you can see the screen, the basin, this is the model we want to work on. So I'll now go to GIS. I'll come to coordinate system, predefined. I'll come to this type. This is UTME, universal transversal. You click on it. Then you change this your UTME zone to 32. Then this datum, you change it to 84, WGS 84. Then you select. I go again, UTME, you change this to 32. You change this to 84. You select. You set. You click on the set, and you've done that. Then let me take you to tools where you set. Once you've done this in your system, you don't need to go back there again. So you go to program setting under tools. This is the tools. You click on program setting. You click on default. Normally, this is supposed to be 1, but because I've done this before, you put it to the maximum. Some will be 2, some is 8, but my own system it is 4. I will click on 4. You come to this sub-basin loss. You change to SCS curve number, sub-basin transform, SCS unit hydrograph. Then you change this to masking gum and you click on OK. Then you come back to our components. You go to terrain data manager. you click on new on the terrain data manager. You click on Boso terrain. Boso terrain. Boso terrain 1. You click on next. You are supposed to have this Boso file for those staying around Mina. So if you are working on any file in any part of the world, you have to have this file, the file collected from any location. So I will click on this place to import my own file. So I will come here. This is the Boso local government file I want to import. I will click on it. Then I will select. This is the file. The file will just come here. Then you click finish. So I will close. I'll come to this. This is what we just created now. I'll click on the plus sign there to open. This is Boso terrain 1. Then you come down to terrain data. You click on it. Boso terrain. You click. Then you control save, control S to save your work. So this will just show. Or you can always save your project here. This is another means of saving. Save current project. You click here. So this will show. So you can zoom in, maximize the page. So now you now go to your GIS. You go to pre-process things. You allow it to process. This is the first. You go to GIS again. Pre-process drainage. You go to GIS again. You identify streams. You change the 7.3 to 25. Then on this your page, you right click. You go to map layers. You see identify streams, flow, accumulation. You uncheck everything, leaving only the identify streams. Then you close the page. This will now look like this. Then you come into one of the horizontal members in the page. On the page, you just place your mouse on any of them. Then you zoom in. You keep zooming in. You see, this is bold now. Then you come to this breakpoint. It is called breakpoint. Breakpoint creator 2. So you click on it. You bring it down here. On this horizontal member, any place along this place, you can just right, left click on it. It will bring breakpoint 1, which is, you can put Boso breakpoints or anything. So you just create. Once you create, this will show up. The breakpoint will be on it. So you just go back to your GIS. You delineate elements. You delineate again. And you allow it to process. The process that will be determined by your capacity of your system. So if you have so this is what we worked on. Different sub-basins. We have a lot of sub-basins. You can see them here. So this is where we'll end. We'll call it a day for now, as we await the second.